Alright, so a little bit about how to make we're going to be making grid maps today. You can also think of it as a floor plan. I'm already going to have measured the length and width of the classroom for you. You then are going to have to measure everything else in the classroom and place it on this map. If you look here, where I'm going to underline, you're going to see one box equals 3 feet. Okay, so make sure you know that one box is equal to 3 feet. If the room size is 30 by 30, it's going to fill this complete box, because you can see, as you can see here, I have 10 boxes down, 10 boxes across. Each box is 3 feet. That's 30 by 30. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take this box here. Remember, it's 30 by 30. And we are going to start placing things. I'm going to just make up random numbers for things. So we'll say that the doorway is 3 feet. We'll say it's one full box. It's going to be at 2A. So look there, there's the door. So I have my key. Let's make it very hastily right now. Hopefully you're going to make it a little nicer. Key in the red equals the door. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. So it's 3 feet. Red line equals the door. Okay, and then I'm going to label tables. We'll say each table is 6 feet. So we got blue is equal to the tables. Okay, and we'll just say for fun, we got 6 feet of table. So we got a table here. Takes 2 boxes. There. There. And there. What we didn't do is if they are, let's say they're 1.5 feet wide, so they got to go. So they're 3 feet long, 1.5 feet wide. So you try to go to the middle. It's a little hard with this thick pen. And you draw it. Now that's too big, so I would erase. Okay. Back to blue. Try to get it somewhere near the middle. See, it's not working with the thick pen. But you need to make it go in the middle, hopefully. There we go. And you go across, down, fill it in, and you have a table. You would do the same thing for all of those tables, making it 3 feet across, and 1.5 feet deep. Okay, you're going to do that for everything that's in the room. So you're going to need to have probably a podium on your thing. You're going to have the whiteboards that are around the room, on wheels. You're going to have the table that's holding the Elmo, and the table that holds all the papers, and the little shelving unit that you put your papers in when they're done in the back. Each one of those needs to be on your key, okay, here. And then it needs to be listed here. So if you measure and you say that the shelving unit is 4 feet by 6 feet, I need to be able to see that here. And you need to be able to tell me where it is. So look, for my tables are at B, C, 4. So I can look, this table that's all the way done is right here, B, C, 4. Just like latitude and longitude, except for we're using letters and numbers for this one. So that's how to make a grid map. Hopefully you're going to be able to do that. If you can remember, I'll give you extra credit for bringing a tape measure of your own from home, preferably a 25-foot tape measure, so that you're not struggling with it. But good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow building some grid maps.